Welcome. In this video I'm going to be installing these CARSPARKLE LED headlights in my 1997 Land Cruiser. So these were provided to me by the distributor, but they're not compensating me for this video and they're not reviewing it before I post it. If you find this video helpful and you want to purchase one of these, I'll put a link to it in the description on Amazon, and if you use that link it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. So these are a 9006 bulb, and I'm just unboxing these on my bench here so we can take a closer look at them and then we'll get to the car and get them installed. So here we have a manual. So it gives some tips here. It says do not touch the LED bulb, and it does come with gloves. So you want to read through all of this. Here's precautions for installation, lighting test, warnings, product diagram. Here are the specs. So these have an IP67 waterproof rating. The heat sink is 6063 aluminum. Color temperature is 6300K plus or minus 200K. And here are some installation steps. That's for the H1. This would be for the 9006. So I guess I'll put the gloves on before I hold this. Now these gloves are kind of small for my hands, but they'll work for temporary use. So here's the bulb. So you can see the LED is in the middle. So that's to mimic a halogen bulb. We have the connector here, here's a gasket, and we have that aluminum body. And of course here's the other one. So let's head out to the vehicle and get these installed. Okay, so I'm here out at my car. Now every car is going to be a little different. So on my Land Cruiser I have a coolant reservoir here, so I'll need to remove it. So there's a little tab on either side and you need to pull up on it. Now I've already loosened it. And I'll just angle that and set it off to the side. So here we have the connector for the headlight. I'll put on the included gloves, and there's a tab on here. So actually first I'll rotate it. So looking at it, I'm rotating it counterclockwise, and the plug is pointing towards the driver's side. So I'll do that and I'll pull this out. Then there's a tab on here. I'll press that in and pull the bulb out. Now this might be kind of tight. There we go. So now I'll put the new bulb in. Same orientation. I'll push it until it clips. I'll stick it in the housing. And then I'll rotate it clockwise. So now I can replace the coolant reservoir and I can head over to the other side. Okay, so here we are on the driver's side. So there's some other sensor that's kind of in the way here, so I need to be careful. I'll do the same thing. Turn it counterclockwise to remove it. Undo the clip. Remove the bulb. Now the old bulbs did still work, so I'm going to put them in here as spares. Or if maybe a family member has a headlight out, we can just swap one of these in for them. Connect up the new bulb. And I'll rotate it into place. Okay, so it's daytime as I install this, so we'll come back at night. We'll take a look at the beam pattern and I'll do a road test. Okay, so I'm out here at night, and I put the halogen light back in on the driver's side. So on the right side we have the LED, and the left side we have the halogen. So you can see that the LED is a brighter, wider light. So I'm going to put the LED back in and we'll take it on a test drive. So that was kind of a dark section of the road. It was very easy to see. So those are the CARSPARKLE 9006 LED headlamps. I think they are a nice upgrade over my halogen headlamps. They're a lot wider and a lot brighter. My old headlamps seem very dated. This gives it a more modern look, but it still retains the factory look of the vehicle. So if you're looking to upgrade your headlamps to LED, you might want to check these out. So that's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you liked this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.